You know, my buddy Bob Clouser was telling me how Lefty used to cast with multiple rods. And so, you know, I wanted Bob to know that I have been practicing with my new Fly Rod Chronicles signature rods. And here in about a minute, I'm gonna do something that's different that I don't think Bob can say that he's done. Oh! Hey, Bob, you seen Lefty do this? Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I got myself a mess here. I mean, a mess. He got me wrapped. I don't even know what I got yet. I got both of them under the dock. I gotta reel me. What do I got here? Uh-oh. There's one. I'm gonna have a big old mess, I know that. Now this one's going in here. Let me reel up just a little bit on this one. Oh, I got a largemouth on this one. This is gonna be the trick. How am I gonna net them both? I got 2 largemouth bass, 1 cast, 2 rods, and wait, hey, here we go. Hey, Bob Clouser, hey, we're going for 3 next time? And listen, who thought that I would be in a bass tournament? Look at that, would you? Too much fun, man. Let's get these guys back. There's one. Thank you. Let's get this other one. Yep, and thank you. Fly Rod Chronicles, baby. 2 at a time.